Two easy ways to export products with images and other fields. Hi everyone, I'm Emily from ITman. Today we are going to explore 3 simple methods to export your WooCommerce products complete with images and other essential data. Export all products by WordPress default tool. Export products as a CSV using the default exporter. Export products by WooCommerce product bulk edit plugin. Why you need to export WooCommerce products with images? There are many reasons why you may need to export products. The most important are export products and move to another site, export products for bulk editing them in Excel or Google Sheet, and use exported products as a backup. In this video, we help you how to do it by 3 different methods. Method 1. Export all products by WordPress default tool. In WordPress, it's possible to export all products by navigating to Tools and the Export tab. On the Export page, choose the products from the list and press the Download Export File button. By doing this, an XML file will be downloaded to your device, and you can use it to import products to another site. Although using the default editor of WordPress is the simplest way to export products with images and other fields, the main problem is that you have no option for filtering products or choosing some specific fields to export. If you are looking for a flexible solution to export and import products, keep watching this video. Method 2. Export products as CSV using WooCommerce default exporter. WooCommerce provided a useful tool to export and import products as quickly as possible. In this method, you don't need any additional plugins, and you can do it very quickly by navigating to Products, All Products, and on the top of the page, find the Export button and click on it. In the next step, you can set some configurations to export products to a CSV file. 1. In which columns should be exported field, you can set which products data should be exported. For example, if you need to export products with images, choose image from the list. 2. In which products type should be exported field, you can filter exported products by product type in this field. For example, to export variable products, you can choose variable products from the list. 3. Which product category should be exported field is useful when you need to export the data of products related to one or more categories. An export custom meta field is useful when you want to export products with their custom meta fields. When you set your configuration, press the Generate CSV button to export products in a CSV file. As you may notice, exporting all products is possible in a few minutes with the default WooCommerce export tool. Unfortunately, there is no option for filtering products based on other WooCommerce fields like price, description, title, and other fields. That's why you must use a comprehensive tool like the WooCommerce Bulk Edit Products plugin. Before we dive into the next method, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any future tutorials. Hit that subscribe button now. Method 3. Export products by WooCommerce Product Bulk Edit plugin. Using the WooCommerce Product Bulk Edit plugin is suitable for you if you want more options for filtering and exporting products. Here you can find how to use this plugin to export all products in 4 simple steps. Step 1. Install the Export Products plugin. To export products with this plugin, first you need to download and install it on your WordPress website, and you can get the download link in the description. After activating this plugin, you have access to the main page by navigating to IT Bulk Editing and Woo Products. On the main page, you have access to all tools required for filtering and exporting products. Filter form to filter products you want to export, column profile to specify the products columns you need to export, and import export tool to export WooCommerce products. Step 2. Filter desired products. The first tool that is helpful when you need to export some specific products is Filter. In this plugin, the Filter tool is designed as a form. All WooCommerce fields are supported in this form, and you also have access to the product custom meta field as well. For example, if you want to export variable products, press the filter icon in the toolbar to open the filter form and go to the Type tab. Then choose a variable product from the list of product types Now press the Get Products button. After filtering the products that you need, now let's set the required fields for exporting in the next step. Step 3. Customize the columns of the product table for export. If you just need to export some specific products field like product image, press the column profile in the toolbar to open the column profile form. Now mark desired product fields you want to export. For example, to export product with image, you need to mark them. And finally, click on the Apply to Table to see the selected fields in the table. Now everything is ready to use the export tool in the plugin. Step 4. Export products with image and other fields. Click on the Import/Export icon in the toolbar. Now in this form, there are some options for exporting. Export all products with all fields. If you want to export all WooCommerce fields related to all products that are listed in the table, mark all products in the table and all fields. Then press the Export Now button. For example, if you have already filtered variable products to export variable products with all fields, this option is good for you. Export all products with visible fields like image. Suppose you want to export all products with current columns on the table like the thumbnail. In this case, you should choose all products in the table and only visible fields. The plugin will export the data exactly based on your needs. Export selected products with all fields. If you need to export all fields of some products in the table, you can easily mark your desired products in the table. For example, products with this ID in this example. Then go to Import/Export form and choose only selected products in all fields. Then press the Export Now button. Export selected products with visible fields. The last option in the Import/Export form is effective when you need to export some specific fields of some selected products in the table. Suppose you want to export regular price, sale price, and image of product with a selected ID. The first, you should display the regular price, sale price, and image in the table by using the column profile form. Mark the checkbox next to selected products, and then click on Import/Export icon. Now choose only selected products and only visible fields. And finally, press the Export Now button. That's it! You export products as CSV successfully. Example 1. Export selected products with a specific price. Let's suppose that you want to export products whose prices are from $100 to $200. To do this, open the filter form and navigate to the Pricing tab. Insert 100 and 200 in the text box respectively. And finally, press the Get Products button. Now the products you want to export are listed in the table. Then you have select the columns you want to export via column profile. For example, if you want product export with image, mark them in the column profile form. Then press the Apply to Table button to display in the table. Now open Import/Export form. In this form, choose only selected products and only visible fields. By pressing the Export Now button, the CSV file will be saved on your device. You can open the file in Excel or Google Sheet. As you can see, all of the products are exported correctly. Example 2. Export a specific products with shirt and the title. To make this happen, you can use the quick search box and write shirt in the search box. Then choose title and like from the other fields and finally press the filter icon to filter the products. Now you can mark all products in the table and then open the Import/Export form. In this form, choose only selected products and all fields. By pressing the Export Now button, the CSV file containing all information about the filter products will be downloaded and saved to your device. You can open the file in Excel or Google Sheet to have access to all the data as you expected. As you've seen, exporting WooCommerce products is a straightforward process thanks to built-in WordPress and WooCommerce tools. However, for more advanced filtering options and customization, the WooCommerce Products Bulk Edit plugin is a valuable asset. This plugin empowers store managers to easily select products in fields and export them in CSV format. Have any questions about exporting WooCommerce products? Leave a comment below and we'll do our best to help. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more content.